Welcome to Chemistry with Bee, Camille, and Marlena. Today we will be creating silver.
Okay, just kidding. We know we cannot actually generate the element silver, but we will be performing a single replacement reaction between silver nitrate and copper, which yields silver as a precipitate.
Here's a beaker. We set up a curly copper wire and are pouring in an aqueous solution of silver nitrate.
While doing this experiment, we will pay close attention to safety, rocking some goggles and aprons to prevent contact with the chemicals.
On contact with the wire, the silver in the solution switches with the copper. See the silver building up on the wire? That's a single replacement reaction.
Now for a look at observable properties. The copper wire started as an odorless, red-brown, shiny, metallic, and malleable solid. The silver nitrate began as a colorless, odorless, transparent solution. Look at them now. The silver looks like sparkly white or gray solid particles, and the copper nitrate is a bluish transparent solution. Both are still odorless. This change in observable properties signifies a chemical reaction for sure. Are our hands in the
Oh my god, it looks like it's snowing!
You guys,
this is
this
so
is a
cool!
snow globe. Woohoo.
Okay. Don't get it to splash because this stuff is very, very bad.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, there we go.
I was the one who wrote
Alright, now hold it still.
Eventually, enough silver has collected that we must knock away the silver in order to expose the copper to the silver nitrate so that more can react.
And now for a meme. Look at all that silver. We're gonna be rich. Okay, not really.
See how the aqueous solution has a bluish tinge?
That's the new substance, copper nitrate.
We repeated this process of accumulating and shaking off the silver several times. Eventually, silver nitrate limits the reaction because it is all converted. The silver nitrate runs out, so the reaction must stop.
Well, that was really cool, but let's take a look at it now at the particle level.
Here is our test tube.
Now, here is some silver nitrate to go in it. The white gumdrops are nitrate and the yellow ones are the silver ion.
And here is a copper wire. The red and orange gumdrops are the copper atom.
Now we combine the copper wire and the silver nitrate.
The reaction starts taking place right away. The silver ions switch with the copper atoms, which become copper ions and are green. The silver atoms are purple. There are still some silver ions floating around in the solution because they've not all reacted yet. You can see the silver building up on the wire.
This is when we have shook the tube so there is a pile of solid silver atoms at the bottom. There are already a couple silver atoms that have accumulated on the wire after shaking it. The solution contains nitrate and copper ions, and there are still some silver ions that have not reacted yet.
Now there are no more silver ions in the solution, meaning the silver ions limit the reaction and the reaction is complete. There's plenty of silver piled up on the bottom of the test tube, and a few silver atoms that are still stuck to the wire. Some copper wire that has not reacted yet, and won't because there are no more silver ions to react with, and there are lots of copper ions in the solution.